Goodness, come on, guys.
Coat.
You're trying to think about anything.
Nothing's gone right on this poor trip.
I've seen a lot I've never seen before. What?
If you think about it, it's kind of been fun.
Yeah.
Fun is losing my jacket. Fun is losing my umbrella. Fun is picking up this weird stranger. Fun is getting soaked, practically drowned. Fun is being practically mauled by a huge bear.
It wasn't that big.
There's 1,000 things have gone wrong. And it's all because you dragged me on this stupid trip.
Actually, I think
There's a bug on your shirt.
Get it off! Get it off! Where's my necklace?
you're kidding now, right?
You took it. No.
I'm gonna go for a
Where's
walk.
the phone?
It's in the grass somewhere.
I can't find it.
Where did you get this?